Mark from Sea Ray here. I am on the SDX series model. Let's talk about the importance of covering your boat. So all Sea Ray models are available with either a full mooring cover, or you can do a bow and cockpit tonneau cover. If you do the bow and cockpit tonneau cover, yes, there's snaps, but they're easy to use. These are specialty fasteners that we include on these boats that are rust resistant. And MarineMax takes the extra step to also coat those with an anti-seize, so it's easy to get them snapped on and off. So at the end of your day, it's really important to cover your boat, keep the water out, keep your upholstery looking good, and most importantly, keep the hot sun from hitting your vinyl. This will also help you if you're in a dry stack situation where, say you get a big rain, your bilge pump's kicking on, there's boats down below you, so it helps protect your boat as well as your neighbor's boat.